Okay, sing a song.
I'm not.
What did he say?
I didn't hear you. Was that I'm sorry?
No! I said I'm not apologizing.
Okay, I thought you said I'm sorry.
No!
Why? Why are you so
Why would I
mean?
apologize for being looking suspicious? How can you even apologize to that?
You can be
No,
say
no, no,
sorry.
no, no. Let me go on Google.com and see the definition of apology. Let me go.
No one's gonna write that. No one's gonna write, hey, I am in a Discord PC. We were
No,
playing
I'm going on
Among
Google
Us.
right now. I'm
Should
going
I
on Google right now.
apologize for being suspicious?
No, 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 no.
No one's gonna write that. No one's gonna write that.
No,
gonna
I'm
search
saying,
this
what
up
does
as well.
apology mean?
I'm gonna search that up as well. Can you apologize for being suspicious?
Okay, it means this: a rectal acknowledgement of a.
Alright.
And it also means a very important, inadequate example, and it also means a reason, argument, or writing justification of something typically in theory religious
Or it
doctrine.
means express
The
regret for
origin,
something.
mid-16th, 17th
Because
century,
it means
originating
express.
from formal defense against accusation from French apology, or via late Latin from Greek apologia.
I don't want no
He
Greek.
speaks one's defense
We're
from
in
a
English.
away
Speak
logia.
English.
The overtime use of apology is
No, it
from
means express.
180
It means
to
express.
2010.
It means express regret. You should feel regret.
No,
for
no,
being
what does it mean of
suspicious.
apologize?
And now everyone thinks
Interactive
that,
term to
oh,
express
I'm
or
being
regret
positive now, which I wasn't.
something done or said. Something done or said.
It means regret. It means regretting
For example, I
something.
saw it
And
called.
say, oh, you said I'm sorry. Okay, you said I'm sorry. Okay, now
I never said sorry. I was reading the Google.
You are sus.
Anigo, what do you think of this?
I'm sorry, I'm recording this. Keep going.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, I give you permission to this on YouTube.
No worries. Oh, shoot, the camera.
Listen here, you little.
The camera's in.
Well,
Hold
no,
on.
listen here. You don't listen here.
How? How am I being suspicious?
No, I just literally read up the dictionary of apology. And you said, no, I don't apologize
I
for
went
being
on the
suspicious.
Google definition and it says expressing
I just went on the
regret.
definition.
Here, I'll type it in the chat right now.
Alright,
I'll
go type it
in
right
the
now.
chat.
Or no,
I'll type in the
take
chat.
a photo of it. Take a photo of it.
No,
And I know you have your phone on, just because you sent like take a screenshot
I know.
of your
I
weapon,
am
and then
gonna
you took a
take
screenshot of yours.
screenshot to prove that my
Express or
that the
regret something.
definition
And
here is
what
right.
did I regret? What did I regret? What did I
We're being
regret or
suspicious.
express?
No,
Right.
No, that's
everyone
an
thinks
act.
that I'm the
That's
imposter.
an act.
Everyone
That
thinks
is an
that
act.
I'm the imposter.
That is an act, sir.
That's
That
not
is
an
an
act.
act, not a
That's
regret.
not. No, you should feel regret for
No,
for
that
being
is an act.
suspicious. You should-
Drake, why did you send me a photo of Anigo?
I did not send you
No,
a
I'm talking to
photo of
Drake.
an ego.
Wait, he's not even in here.
See, you're sus right now, even outside of
We're not
Among Us.
even playing right
Even
now.
outside of Among Us, you're being.
We're not even playing. We're not even playing.
That's the point. You're so sus. That
No, you're
being
Andrew
sus
Toombs. You're the
outside.
vulture.
Look, I wrote it.
Apologize.
I sent a
Express.
picture.
No, act.
No, you.
It's an act.
Now you send your dictionary
So sorry.
of
Say
the word
like that.
apologize definition.
Why should
You
I
send
apologize
a
for being
picture
suspicious?
of the
Why
word.
should I apologize for that? You thought I was suspicious. You thought. But no one else thought I was suspicious at all.
Everyone else agreed with me, so they must have think that you were suspicious.
Everyone else agree, because even though I was with you the entire time. It's true. It's true, Purified.
It's true. It's true.
Christ.
I know where you live.
Oh yeah, I know.
Gonna come down.
I don't know where you live.
Freaking throw you
I
out
don't
the
have
window.
a window. I mean,
Yes,
I
you
do.
You have a room upstairs. You have rooms upstairs, and I saw you had a window upstairs.
Oh yeah, I do. But like,
It'll probably break
I
your leg, but it won't kill you.
I have a locked door. I have a locked door.
You got caught.
It'll probably broke your leg.
The
Why
door
is
is
Drake
locked.
sending bagel bites?
The door is locked right now. So apologize that you were
So
suspicious.
I don't need to apologize.
I already
I don't need to
apologized, so it
apologize.
makes sense that you should apologize.
Apologize for what? Say it.
Say what?
Say apologize for what?
Apologize for what? I
I coughed on my mic because I got so mad.
apologize for what?
No. What should I apologize for?
Now everyone thinks that
No,
I'm
there's a
being
worst way to apologize for something.
No, just all you have to say is I'm sorry for
My
being.
dad literally came in the elevator. Anthony, are you okay?
That was my mom as well.
What did your mom say?
Why are you yelling? And I said,
And what you?
it's like we're arguing about something. And then she said, okay. And then
Let's
she
go
left.
on with it.
Okay, so
Listen,
I want
So
my
you're gonna apologize?
apology by
I am not gonna
tomorrow,
apologize to
3
you.
p.m. I want my apology apology by 3 p.m. tomorrow.
No, I'm not giving you an apology.
I already gave you my apology. Where's mine now?
No,
Where's mine?
I'm not apologizing for
No,
anything.
you no. No.
Hey, I just built a Lego.
Yeah, I'm not bullying him. I'm arguing.
Stop like,
He's the one who's being.
no. What?
Yes.
What?
Yeah.
What? Just for being sus? Oh my god. That was half as nice as lightning.
I love how everyone's just arguing.
Everyone's arguing.
Everyone's arguing now.
Just got burger.
No, I already saw that, man.
Yeah, which is
Okay.
true, but like, is it gonna happen?
Okay. I have a deal for you, Andrew.
Okay, yeah. What's
Andrew
the deal?
Toombs.
What's the deal? Yeah, I saw that. What's the
Okay.
deal? What's the deal?
I'll only apologize
Mm-hmm.
if you apologize twice for saying you apologized.
Okay, so like, you want me to apologize for apologizing twice, right?
No, you want me to... I want you to apologize for making me apologize. Alright?
Twice, right?
A
Twice.
burger.
Okay.
Alright, it's all good.
You go.
Mr. Swampfire, I apologize
For
for
making me apologize.
making you apologize. And
Okay, I apologize for
I apologize. My second apologize. I
don't need
apologize
that one.
for not giving.
I don't apologize for being suspicious. Suspicious is not even an act. It's an act.
I apologize
It's an act,
for-
sir. You act like it.
I apologize for not giving. Oh.
You
About
don't even accept it, you.
So,
I don't think I'm gonna have enough film to record all of this.
Then I'll put it on YouTube.
I mean,
so
sure. Send it to me if
is
you
the
can.
argument over?
No.
Oh, you want to start this again, right? You want to go?
Yeah. No, make it by link.
What is it? Tell me, what is it?
Oh my god. Yeah. Hospital by lightning says, I left because my parents came around my room. I wasn't being a baby, Rager. Now you can stop calling me that. I don't like it.
Oh yeah, the argument is settled. Both apologize.
Alright.